Very good evening, friends. I am Narnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Search. I upgraded upgraded means I coded it new to pick up these signals, the sell signals immediately. Yesterday I had discussed how I made an hack to recognize these boxes. So it automatically codes for this indicator codes for, with the rolling pivot, it codes for these levels. 1 minute pivot box, it automatically codes and it plots there. So immediately I will come to know when the price is below this, even if it is sell, I am not going to go for after seeing a reversal, I will not think about reversal. That mistake will not happen. So it will be a pullback rally. It is below the support. This is support. There is no chance of market going higher. When it is below the support, it is crystal clear your bias to be towards the negative side. Even if it gaps down, I'm not worrying. I get the levels. I'm getting the levels automatically on the chart, and also I've coded for the stocks also. If I go to the stocks like this is it plots 12:15 candle afternoon session, afternoons at 12:15 candle. It plots exactly the pivot resistance. So price started moving below the pivot after 130 only. Till that time, it was whipsawing. Till that time, do not do anything. Wait for that. If you are short already, you can hold the position with the stop loss. That's how it is. The market today is trending down. Now already it is 256. No, there is no chance of reversal. These green candles are deceptive. People do mistake. By seeing the green candle, they think it as a reversal and they will try to go for the reversal trade. But if I change the time frame to hourly, I am on the call option. Let me go to the call option. Let me go to the Nifty underlying. See, if I change the time frame to hourly or daily, you clearly see the market is below the pivot and there was a buy signal, 6-hour buy signal was generated. Because of this dozy candle, the price opened above this signal. Now it is giving 6-hour sell. So what the market is doing is, you must understand, the market is 6-hour buy, 6-hour sell, and the buy and sell. It is alternating. So it is consolidating. We need to see whether the market is going to hold. Now at present, today it has plotted sell. Tomorrow there may be gap up also. Because it is closing near that, if I go to the hourly reference points, let me go there. You get a reference over here. The previous day pivots you are getting. From there, market has moved higher. So market has broken that pivot and resistance, and it is near the pivot of the, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday's pivot. That is first hour pivot. First hour, first 15 minutes, and you can see it has picked up by 1 minute. These are the lines in which it picks up like that, and these are reference points. Let me remove drawings. And if you see, this is the pivot from the hourly, market has moved higher. And this is 12 p.m. pivot on Tuesday. Even market can come down to this level, 22,775. Today, almost it is near, and the next level is here. So it is showing weakness. These are the reference levels you can identify very quickly. And if you go to some stocks also you can identify whether to go long or anything. Let me go to the persistent system. The persistent system has given hourly buy, daily. If I go to 6-hour buy after lot of consolidation, same type of pattern I had repeated. Sell, buy, sell, buy. Finally, buy has been taken place around 4,695. It has moved higher and made an higher high. Then it is a promising stock. You can hold for it. You can hold, and when it retraces, I have already told the hack here, the flip level, Gann HiLo flip level, this and this as act as a support. So I am going to wait. Since I have seen this stock as a promising stock, I am going to wait for this stock to retrace. When it comes near 4,600 to 4,700, I am going to look for reversal in the stock for the swing trade. Like that, you can make decisions with this indicator. It has been coded for intraday. Even if it gaps up, even if it gaps down, I'm not going to bother in this, because automatically my levels will get plotted based on the rolling pivot. Rolling pivot, based on this rolling pivot, it will get plotted, and it is an upgraded version. It gives stocks also. You can easily scan for stocks. All the thing, entire Nifty, 50 stocks, everything, portfolio, if you see, it is negative. If I see there, and if I go for a FNO list, few stocks are positive. Adani Power, you can see positive, and Axis Bank, no. Bharti Airtel, it is showing positive. Let us go to the, let me click on the Bharti Airtel and go to the daily. So it is showing after the sell, it is popping up and it is moving higher. So we need to consider this is not a, this has not gone above this. This structure has not formed. It is a pullback rally. So we cannot consider that. So if we go to Cipla, why it is not loading, all the stocks have not been loaded. Some problem with the trading view. Okay, persistent system. If I go down, Wipro is showing some sort of reversal. Wipro, you can see Wipro is showing a reversal in this. Wipro can be considered for, if I put this, and let me go to the 15 minutes time frame. Let us check. Yes, Wipro is trying to close above the hourly pivot, and here it is trying to move higher. In the last hour, it is trying to move higher. It can be considered for Monday's trade. Monday's trade, we can look for that. And let me go. Let me go to this list. In this list, we'll see chemicals all are negative and all are negative. R of pharma is showing, but it is below the uh, third hour. Third hour pivots, it is 12:15 pivot, it is trading near the 12:15. Because it has already rallied so many days and it may be a distribution pattern over here. Glenmark on the 15 minutes, it is above the pivot and also above the 12:15. So Glenmark, let us go to daily time frame and see whether it is promising. Yeah, daily time frame, it was a correction in this Glenmark and now it has consolidated and it's a pullback. It is holding the Gann HiLo and we can consider keep it in our watch list. Glenmark, you can keep it in your watch list. And Oracle Finance, oh my God, this stock you can consider. Oracle Financial Services, it has got some news. It is 6 hour buy 3 days back, Tuesday it has given, and it is the continuation. So if I change it to weekly time frame, probably on weekly basis, it is a reversal. No, still on weekly basis, there is no reversal. It is a 6 hour buy. It is a continuation. You can see if I am on the daily, you can see over here, 6 hour buy and the price is about the R1. Weekly, if I am on the daily, it picks up the R1. So it is showing a reversal and a retest or pullback. You can wait for that and you can consider Persistent and Oracle are the two promising stocks you can consider. This is prime focus. Prime focus, you can see so beautifully it is moving higher. We have not got this since 4 or 5 days it is moving higher. And Nazara Technology, it is showing 6 hour buy. You can keep it in your watch list. If it is the continuation for tomorrow, you can look for that. Like that, so easily you can scan and find the stocks. Find the stocks on your this one. This was 6 hour buy. It has made an higher high, but the closing is near. So it is showing some sort of reversal, but it is at the top, monthly top, February and March. We cannot, this is not a promising stock. If we would have caught around this, that would have been a very good opportunity to invest in this stock. Petronet LNG is no, ONGC is showing reversal, 4 hour buy. You can see for that. Petronet LNG, you can keep it in your watch list. Like that, you can quarantine with this, and it automatically plots here at the bottom. You can see 6 hour buy, and this is the continuation today. So from 272 to 285, it has 285 it has gone. So if you would have caught morning itself like that, you could have taken. And how buy has come in this stock, let me show it to you on the 15 minutes. See, so beautifully, morning itself, in the first 15 candle, the price is above the pivot and beautifully price has moved higher. So you could have considered 270 put a call option, 270 call option. See, it was around 12 rupees. from 12 rupees, it has moved up to 21 rupees. It becomes easy. See, when the price is in, this is the trend. You should catch this type of stocks. This is the momentum stock, and it has to be the body of the 15-minute candle, 50% is above the pivot. Now, that itself is you, even if you enter wrong, suppose if you enter at 13 rupees, you need not panic. You can hold the position. Like that, you can screen for the stocks, and this is a beautiful indicator. That's why I told you whether it is a gap up or gap down. My indicator shows me and the things. Let me go to Nifty. Nifty. It is traveling down. Yeah, you can see how it has moved down. This is the last hour, almost 3:10 p.m. It has come to this level where these are the reference levels from where market has moved higher. Probably on Monday, you can see some sort of reversal from this level. If there is a reversal, Monday is the starting point of the week and also weekly expiry. So rollovers will be there. You can get a cheap call option, HiLo zero opportunity also if it holds this level, and reversals. If it starts doing that, I need not bother for anything. That's why tomorrow it will guide me whether to be in right position uh, towards the call option or towards the put option. So it showed me I need to be on the put option. It continued to be on the put option. Same put option I showed you. This was the put option. Here itself, by seeing this, even without hesitation, you could have entered around 395, keeping this stop loss. Need not worry. After that, there will be whipsaw. Totally, there was whipsaw. So this is your stop loss. You are entering it, and you are closing around 595. 395 to 616. It's not a small amount. 200 points rally on this you could have caught with with this you could have caught. It is a wide, this one 1 2 3 resistance came around here, and that's why market was little bit choppy, and the final hour it is moving higher. Okay friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off. If you want to access this indicator, 452-09600. WhatsApp me on this number. It is a beautiful indicator. So once again, I end the video with the saying that gap up or gap down or it opens flat. I am not frightened. There is no tension for me. My indicator guides me through the levels and through the direction. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.